Namaskaram everyone. Welcome back to yet another episode on Abhinaya Darpana. Before I start, as I always say, please know that I am not an expert on this subject and you must consult a knowledgeable guru to gain deeper insights and better understanding. This episode is about Prarthanadikam. Nandikeshwara says, Vignesham Murajadhipam cha gaganam stutva mahim prarthayet tatvadhya kadambakasya vidhina puja vidhamanayet alapyati manoharan बहुविधीन संपाद्य भूयस्तथा गुर्वाग्नमवलंब्य पात्रमुचितं शृंगारम एवारभेत. Invocation or preliminary rites, Prarthanadikam. Having praised Ganesha, Vignesha, the remover of obstacles, the lord of drums, Murajadhipa, and the sky, Gagana, one should pray to the earth, Mahi. Thereafter, one should duly worship and honor the ensemble of various musical instruments according to the proper ritual. Having rendered enchanting and highly captivating alapas, melodic improvisations of many kinds, and obtaining the permission of the Guru, the suitable performer, Patra, should commence Shringara, the decorative performance, that is, the dancer adorned with beauty and expression. He then talks about Rangadhi Devata Stuti. He says, Bharata Kula Bhagya Kalike Bhava Rasananda Parinata Kare Jagadeka Manohara Kale Jaya Jaya Rangadhi Devate Devi. Praise the deity of the stage. Rangadhi Devata Stutihi. O bud of the fortune of Bharata's lineage, O one whose form is matured in the bliss of bhava and rasa, O the single enchanting art that captivates the world, victory, victory to you, O goddess, O presiding deity of the stage, Jaya Jaya Rangadhi Devate Devi, he says. These verses describe the Purva Ranga or preliminary rites before a classical dance performance. Verse 31 outlines the ritual sequence invoking Ganesha and natural elements, worshipping instruments, offering melodic alapas, and taking Guru's permission before starting the actual dance. Verse 32 is a devotional prayer to Rangadhi Devata, stage goddess, glorifying her as the divine essence of Bharata's tradition and world-captivating art. Every traditional performance begins with reverence, ritual, and divine invocation. Only after these sacred steps does the artist enter the stage. This elevates dance from mere art to a spiritual offering, turning the performance into a sacred experience filled with bhava and rasa. Jaya Jaya Rangadhi Devate Devi. Namaskar.